Which would you rather do? Invest time and energy in avoiding problems or solving them? The answer is obvious, but it is surprising to hear the excuses that people give about why they cannot do the obvious thing. Of course, we want to avoid problems completely, but that means we must commit ourselves to achieve unprecedented quality throughout the organization. Think about heroes of quality, the fire preventers who go the extra mile to turn problems into positive experiences and stop fires right at their source. We want everybody to possess this level of awareness and commitment to the organization. So why not begin by getting everybody to walk the talk of quality?